Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome to my classroom. Come in, sit down, take a seat, open your books and follow till the end. Subscribe to my channel Ibrahima Attitude on YouTube. In today's lesson, we are going to deal with grammar, or vocabulary if you want. How to translate the French verb dire in English. Comment traduire dire en anglais. Here you have two options on this video, say or tell. But when do we use say and when do we use tell? What is the difference between the two? You'll have a lesson and activities plus answer keys. First of all, you have to know something. Say is followed by something, whereas tell is followed by someone. Say something, tell someone or somebody. Example, he said goodbye. What did he say? Goodbye. He said something? Yes, he said goodbye. He said something else? He said that he was too busy. What did he say? He was too busy. Say hello. Say goodbye. Hello is something. Say hello to your father. Tell. Tell someone, tell somebody. Tell the police officer what happened. Tell your father that you are a rude boy. I will tell your father that you are a rude boy. My husband told me what he experienced in Europe. He told me. There are some exceptions. We say is followed by something and tell is followed by someone. But be careful, here are some exceptions. To tell a story is something, isn't it? The teacher told us a funny story about Charlie Chaplin. So here, a story is something, but tell a story. Tell a joke. To tell a joke. Abba is good at telling jokes. Kucha also. Tell the truth. Dire la vérité. You must tell the truth when you swear. Tell the truth. Tell lies. No, don't tell lies. Stop telling lies, my friend. It's not good. Tell the time. Can you tell the time in English? Yes, I can. Tell the difference. Here are two girls, two sisters, Melissa and Amy. Who is Amy? I don't know. I can't tell the difference between the two of them. Wonderful. Now, end of part 1. Part 2. Let's practice. Activity 1. Underline the right option. Say or tell. Have I said or have I told something wrong? You should not say or you should not tell the teacher. You should not say or you should not tell lies. I will never say, I will never tell you my name. Mom did not tell us that story. They tell that it was too difficult. Now, put your finger on the pause button, take a piece of paper and a pencil and do the exercise. Then come back later. Are you done? Come on. Have I said something wrong? You should not tell the teacher. You should not tell lies, my friend. I will never tell you my name. Mom did not tell us that story. They said that it was too difficult. Good job. Next activity. Activity 2. Fill in the gaps with the right form of say or tell. Fill in the gaps. There are many gaps, so there is S. Could you please tell us or say us what happened? She doesn't say or tell a word in Wolof. So here you have two challenges. The first challenge is choosing between say and tell, and the second challenge is to choose the right form of say or tell. It's okay? Here, put once again your finger on the pause button. Do the exercise in 10 or 15 minutes and resume the video. Let's correct together. Could you please tell us what happened? She doesn't say a word in Wolof. He told me his name was Jim. Let me tell you something about my hobbies. I advise you to forget everything he's just said. Why didn't you tell him that before? Why didn't you say that before? Number 8, they said nothing to me. Number 9, you don't need to tell us that. Number 10, what were he saying when you stopped him? Wonderful guy. Good job. Thank you very much for watching, and please, coming soon, Code de Vacances with Mr. Ngom on YouTube. Get ready. Subscribe to my channel. You won't miss any video from now on. Goodbye. Su lekkee yi na génne bopp biir bu ko kenn xaañ en nañ ko dàq jàpp ndulliwaat bu selfie looy def ni mu ci ruxu bi wutee la bañu boobo ba bi sap su lekkee yi na génne bopp biir bu ko kenn xaañ en nañ ko dàq jàpp ndulliwaat bu selfie looy def ni mu ci ruxu bi